So today, we're going to focus on TAA products. These products are made by approved trade partners that are authorized for use in government and military installations. TAA compliance opens up the door for installers to bid on more government jobs such as schools, courthouses, government offices, and military bases. If you're bidding on one of these projects, it's often a strict requirement to use 100% TAA products, or at least a specific percentage, depending on the contract. If you want more information on bidding on TAA products and how they can change your installation business, take a look at our past webinar on getting started with TAA products. For our Intellinet brand, we're always expanding our TAA offerings. And currently, we have all of our TAA products listed here on this page. We currently offer a range of products from PDUs, which lets you turn on or off devices remotely, unmanaged switches, both Ethernet and PoE injectors, as well as networking essentials like the Domots box, which lets you do remote management of your network. And you can find all of these right here on our Intellinet Solutions page. So product one is the injector. Let's talk about this injector and some of the key ways we can have it work for us. So this TAA 2.5G PoE++ injector, it allows you to inject high power PoE into a 2.5G network segment. It doesn't create that bottleneck where it won't slow down devices to 1 gigabit. So remember, if you use that standard 1 gigabit injector on a 2.5 gigabit network segment, you're slowing down your network. This device prevents that. So next, let's look at our scenario using this 2.5 gigabit Ethernet switch, like our 562.263. When we pair this with the injector, you're gonna get best of both worlds. And this works great if you just have one port that needs 2.5 gigabit PoE. So these products work great together to power a Wi-Fi 6 or Wi-Fi 7 access point without sacrificing speed. If you need several ports of high power PoE, well, then you're gonna wanna take a look at a TAA compliant PoE++ switch, like our 562.294. So the last product we're gonna talk about is a gigabit switch. This one is TAA compliant. It's a non-PoE gigabit switch. These are unmanaged. They're ideal for small homes or offices, and they deliver full 1 gigabit network speeds to the LAN, making it easy to connect more devices to the network. So to recap, if you're looking for TAA products, check out our website. We have them organized by category, including TAA compliant switches, unmanaged switches, PoE injectors, and crucial networking tools like our PDUs, that let you turn on or off devices, our Domots boxes that help you do remote management on your whole network. So we talked about 3 great devices today: our 2.5 gigabit Ethernet switch, a 2.5 gigabit injector, which is great to work with this switch to give you 1 port of PoE. And last, we talked about this gigabit Ethernet switch, which is gonna let you connect more devices on your home network. So thank you again for choosing Intellinet. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to the number below.